Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Lumahaki bin Ahmad and I'm from group project topic which is about MUAR, which is the acronym and stand for Malaysian University Archive Malaysia. Okay, for my part, which is I will present about two interface in our prototype, which is for the first interface or system, which is the home page interface, which is I will talk about their function, their features, and the design and the other aspects relate to the home page. And for the next point, which is I will talk about interface, which is the search system interface that include the function, features, and other aspects include in that particular interface. That is for the second point for search system. Okay, before we proceed to the interface that I will talk about, and I will give an explanation about the interface, I will give a little bit a sneak peek about our project, which is MUAR. MUAR, which is the full name itself that I talked about it before, which is the Malaysian University Archive Malaysia, that students could find their desired study material in this particular platform. With thousands of available files to download and view, students could be at ease when in need to find any document. There's a little bit synopsis of the MUAR platform itself. Okay, now we will proceed to the home page, which is home screen interface. So here is the home screen page or interface where you could see a navigation button that could link into entire apps, which is you can see there is a symbol or button down the interface. There is a symbol or button that can navigate to the other interface. There are a variety of functions to navigate from, which is begin with search, check history, community setting, and about us, which is about the MUAR apps itself. That is a function and the features in homepage interface. And next we will proceed to the next interface, which is a search page system itself. Okay, for the search page, as everyone could see here, we have the search bar with a filter. Scrolling down, we will also see a recent document that have been uploaded by students, which are example accounting notes, final examination paper, English report, assignment files, and even a YouTube video that students could access. And by using the search bar, students could easily find the specific material that they needed. Which, for example, let's try if students search engineering. Alright, and here we could find 1,000 of engineering student material that student could download for free, or student could access by search engineering. This is a lot of study material that relate to engineering itself if we search. And that's it about my part for my presentation or explanation about these two particular interface. And I will give to the next presenter to present or explain about others interface that inside this or our prototype itself.
Okay, thank you for the previous presenter. Okay, next I want to introduce myself. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azri bin Azmi. My matric number is 2022987669, and now I will present about the download page. So I will proceed on how to download a document. By clicking any of the result on the search screen, the user can preview the entire files first before downloading the document. For example, let's choose the accounting notes. Now from here we could see the preview of the file, which is financial accounting document that are available that students can download. To start downloading the document, we just need to click the download button that has been given, and then the document will be started to download shortly. Of course, we need an internet connection for this to happen. If the student or the user didn't have any extra internet connection or didn't have any internet connection, they can't download the document. For your information, we also implemented automatic upper style citation to copy, so the student can use the notes or the reference as a citation for their assignment citation. Thus, the students will get their reference on the get-go. So, lastly, I hope that students or users can use this function, download function or upper citation function, can use that easily, because by using the download function, students can use the download to do many things, and they didn't need the data any connection such as Wi-Fi or mobile data to view the files, to view the assignments, notes and other types of online materials. And next and lastly, we can move on, or I can pass another type of presentation to my group's member. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus Aiman bin Mat Rozi. I'm from RCS 2403C and my metric number is 2022 926151. And as you can see, this is a video presentation for ICT500, which is application for Malaysia University Archive Resources, which is MUAR. And then I hope you will enjoy this video. Okay. Without further ado, I will continue to explain the chat function. For your information, this is not the same as social media chat system, which is used to socialize with people. Our chat function allows students to chat with the owner of the files if there are any problem like missing pages, hard to understand terms, or even just contacting to ask for more document from them. So enough explaining, I will show you how to start chatting. Okay, before downloading the files, the user could click the chat button next to the download button. Okay. Before beginning to chat, user must fill in their names to let the owner of the document and identify and know the users. After that, feel free to chat. Okay. This is our function for chat. So that's all from me. I will continue to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Nur Ashraf Haika Farhan bin Norazli, and my number matric is 2022745971, and I'm from group RCS 2403C. So I'm here to do my presentation for ICT 500s. Alright everyone, you might be thinking on how to maintain the document to be constantly updated from time to time. Rest assured that there are actually limits on how many documents our user could download. Only 4 documents at max are available to download for free, but after that, the user need to upload their own study materials to unlock more files. So, to begin uploading the document, users need to click the upload icon on the navigation bar, the one in the middle. Next, user need to click the upload button and choose any of the document of their preference. After finishing the upload, just click submit and you will be rewarded. Users can get 4 free unlock for every one file they uploaded. That's how the document in the MUAR app keep running. Okay, that's all from me. We will continue with our next group members.
Alright, hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Fansri Akmal Nuasri from RCS2403C, and now I'll show you guys this remarkable function known as download history. I'm very positive that all of us here are already used to Google History. It shows what kind of website you go to and stored cookies, and the download history shows the list of files the user has downloaded. Our system runs in the same way. After the user has downloaded the documents, it stores the information of the file in the download history. What's the function, you guys ask? It was used to make sure that users keep track of what file have already downloaded, so redundant data will be prevented. Thus, how to access this function? All you need to do is go into the home screen and click the history button. And here is the list of the files you have downloaded. You also could click on those files and view them in offline mode, which means it doesn't use any internet connection. Alright, after this, I will explain a little bit about other marvelous functions. But for now, I will give the stages to my other fellow group members. Stage is yours, brother.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazirul Mubin bin Saidun. My metric number is 2022971943. So, as the next presenter, we will proceed with the most appealing function that will hugely benefit to the users, especially the students, which is Student Community. Student Community is an online discussion forum like Reddit, which users could ask any question, request documents, or even get private mentors. There are circumstances where users are unable to find the specific documents from the search screen alone, so they will ask for those files at Student Community. There are two ways to access it, which is the Student Community. First, by clicking the Community button on the home screen, or just by clicking the profile picture logo on the navigation bar, the one on the far right. Here we could see there are already abundant topics that revolve in the forum, like how to solve quadratic and even requesting Unitas database quiz. So that's all from me. We will proceed to the next presenter of our group. So, thank you.
Well, we meet again, huh? But before we end, I want to show you guys some of the last but not least function, which are the setting and about us. The first one, the setting used to make sure this app suits best for the user. Alright, without further ado, let's go see it. Here, we could see the information of the apps, such as app version, terms and policies, and of course the report problem button. The users could use the report problem function if there are any problems faced by them, such as bugs and errors. So next, the about us. Here, as you guys could see, it shows the short introduction to our apps and our most beloved developer names. Why, you ask? This function is actually very important to help users to know more about the app they use and to get in touch with the developers if they want to. So, I think that's all for MUAR apps. I hope you guys feel better and know our apps more. Thank you for listening.